The man who ran over a state trooper with his car last year on I-90 in Cleveland is a step closer to becoming a free man tonight. A jury today found Joshua Gaspar not guilty of a list of serious felony charges, shocking many in the courtroom. News 5's Derek Waller explains why.
Jurors took nearly 3 days to decide that prosecutors did not prove their case.
Count 1 is aggravated vehicular homicide. Verdict is not guilty.
Joshua Gaspar not guilty of aggravated vehicular homicide and driving under the influence, the most serious charges against him. But he's still left in handcuffs. Jurors did find him guilty on a number of misdemeanor charges involving how he unlawfully obtained his driver's license. Last September, Gaspar swerved and slammed his car into state trooper Kenneth Velez on I-90, killing him.
Condolences go out to the Velez family. This has been a tragedy for all involved, but for Josh to be found not responsible for this accident, and that's what it was, an accident, and for the jury to agree, I think is a big load off for him and his family.
Velez was conducting traffic enforcement near the Cleveland-Lakewood border when he died. The 27-year department veteran left behind a wife, children, and friends in his Lorain County community.
It's devastating. We've been through good and bad and trying times, and he always ended up with a smile.
In court, prosecutors said Gaspar had no business driving a car while under the influence of the prescription painkiller methadone. But Gaspar's attorney argued otherwise, saying the prescription drugs did not leave his client as impaired as prosecutors would have liked jurors to believe.
People said he was drunk, people said he was high, people said he ran from the scene, people said he was speeding, and as we heard in the trial, none of that happened. So we're glad that the jury finally got to the truth.
Velez's family left the courtroom without speaking to reporters. Gaspar is now being held until his September 8th sentencing for those lesser charges. In Cleveland, Derek Waller, News 5.